Hey everyone.
Hi, Olaf.
Vladimir, it's so nice to see you here. Will you be able to present the SSI step 4?
Not today, unfortunately. I'm not ready because I'm on the way.
Okay. I left you a few comments.
Yep.
Let's have a look. Okay, let's wait a couple of minutes and let's begin. All right, let's begin. So we have not that big agenda for today's, but still I welcome you everyone at our 60-second weekly DeFi governance call. So we have a couple of news for today. So I will start from the contest updates. So actually we have one contest that we discussed last time. That is a contest for the Never, the stablecoin stage 2. So the contest is almost ready. I'm waiting for Sergey from Provenda to finalize it and add the missing points. And right after that, we will launch it. So he promised to do this over the weekend because he's on the business trip right now. And the second news, the second contest that you may have seen on the forum is the SSI stage 4 that was posted there by Vladimir Kain, who is here with us today. But unfortunately, he's on the road and cannot tell too much about the contest yet. However, I recommend going there and having a look in the contest description and leaving your comments. I have a few already. I posted them to Vladimir, and so I hope that we will polish the contest till next time, and Vladimir will provide the presentation of what this contest is going to be about, and we will launch it. The second news of today is the launch of the EverDAO. So let me give you a history of this product. So actually, EverDAO is based on the Bridge DAO that was developed by the Brokers team, and in the expectance of Gov2O. So we decided to make a step further and deploy a separate replica of the DAO with separate contracts based on the robbed Ever as a voting power. And now it is available at everdao.net. And you can go there, stake your Evers to give the voting power and even vote for the first proposal that is sitting there. So if everything goes well, so we will definitely be going to the proposal to accept EverDAO as the main governance interface for Everscale. And moreover, this is the first experience for us of launching the separate DAO that is not linked directly to any product. So please report any bugs found and any feedback on the UX UI part to our groups or to myself personally. So every comment is welcomed. So Well, that's pretty it for today. So we have not that rich agenda now. Hopefully, so we will get more and more news with the launch of the foundation, and you may have seen few news from the grants team as well, that more and more projects are appearing on our horizon. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, please. So we have a really short meeting today. Okay, really, no questions. In this case, so I thank everyone for joining.
Sorry. Can you just elaborate more on EverDAO? Like what's
Yeah, so I can even
understood the
share my
yeah,
screen and explain a bit how
would
it
be
works. So give me a second.
because it's kind of important.
Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward product. So it's nothing where you can mess actually. So let me show it like this. Yeah, so you see here everdao.net. This is the domain of the product. So there are actually two tabs. So one is staking and another is the governance. So in the staking part, so you can stake your wrapped Evers directly here. So you see I have some balance here available, so I can do this now. So for example, I would like to stake some additional WEVERs. Just a second. I will copy my password. So if you don't see, there's a Ever wallet screen appeared right now. So now it's being staked, and meanwhile it is done. So you can see that there is a redeem window. So I have a balance of one WEVER available here, and here are some transactions that I did. So while it is being staked, so you can go to the governance interface, governance dashboard directly. So that shows how many reserves are currently available in the DAO system. So how many stakeholders have put the WEVERs there, how many proposals are available. Also some chart with TVL locked in the DAO. The recent proposals, it will be the top proposals, something like 3 to 5. So we, I think 5 is the right number now. So, and here you can see the top voters by the power. Actually, this is pretty much copying the best practices from existing DAO interfaces like Compound or Aave Finance or other DeFi products. So, and it incorporates the best practices from the governance systems. Here you can click on the proposal and dive into its page. You will see here the step at which the proposal is now staying. So there are actually 4 steps. The first one is the pending. When the proposal is published, and it stays there for everyone to review. At this stage, the proposer can cancel it, and it can be canceled until it's queued, so for all this period of time. So typically this is stays as a 2 days configuration, but this can be changed through the DAO decision as well, by the way. So every parameter here, so like the quorum parameter or the duration of those steps, can be changed by the DAO decision. Next, it will be the voting period. So now it's configured to be 3 days for voting, but it can be reduced. Then the lockup period to let everyone, if they are not agreeing with this DAO decision, to take actions, and then the decision is being executed. So here you see the current distribution of the votings. So you can vote not only for the proposal, but also against the proposal. And actually, the voting is pretty straightforward. So it should reach the minimum quorum of votes. So meaning that at least 500,000 WEVERs should participate in the voting. It's not only for, but also in against. And you can vote for or against the proposal, as I said. So if the proposal gets more votes than against votes, so it's considered accepted. Here you will see the description. The description can be written in the markdown and is stored directly in the contract. So there is a discussion page, so that can be configured to anything, so that you can put in the field at the moment of the proposal creation. Here are some Everscale actions. So actually, as the DAO proposal can have actions inside it that are smart contract calls, and we will also write a guide on how to create those actions. So it's not that complex. So actually what it contains is a target smart contract to call and the encoded payload to attach to this smart contract call, and also some payload balance that you need to attach when sending the message. Once the DAO is accepted and at the execution stage, it will call this specific contract with this payload and attach this amount. So actually now this contract, if I remember it well, it is the echo contract. So and the encoded payload says something like hello. So when you send it, it just sends it back. Here you will see the address of the proposal, the voting start date, the voting end date, and the periods, of course. Once anyone votes for or against the proposal, so his vote will appear here. He can provide some comment why he's deciding this or that. And also what is important that for the duration of the voting period, your stake will be locked. So once you vote, so you will not be able to cancel your vote or withdraw your stake until the vote is over. So this is also important because it guarantees that there are no fake votes. So, and here also the create proposal interface. So you need to have the stake of at least 100,000 Evers here to make a new proposal. So this is also some economic spam protection system. So, and this also can be increased or decreased based on the DAO decision. Yeah, so that's pretty it. I think that's nothing really to tell more about this. What here you see the list of proposals, and you see my voting power has doubled. Now I have 2 Evers here, so that I can vote with in 1 day, 7 hours and 17 minutes.
Thank you. Looks really cool. Any plans for Evers, not wrapped, but simple Evers?
Currently we are testing it, and probably we have a cool feature coming on Flatcube that will allow you to also make exchange directly from your Ever balance, and once it is really well tested and in the production, so I think that we will also add it here, so to make the under the hood conversion of Evers to WEVERs. So again, WEVERs are here to reduce the complexity of the system and avoid major errors.
Cool.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys, please? All right. In this case, so I thank everyone for attending. So and keep an eye on the forum and on the governance interface, and see you all next week. So hopefully there will be a presentation of the SSI contest stage 4, and we will get some more news. Yeah, maybe from other teams. Okay. Have a nice day. See you.
Bye bye.